The second rain come shine. Now so everything does shine. Rain they shine. Abi, rain they shine.
No be only rain. Moon sef dey shine.
Moon sef dey shine. Now so we don't even know wetin dey happen. Harmattan and rain, they come dey play relationship together. Now then say they give us leg over. I don't know which one they do now. Anyhow is a B. The show don't start as usual. Sport and comedy. Now two unique day here with una and Opeyemi, let me introduce you for the first time today. Clap for yourself.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
First time when you introduce me, anyways a way.
Always a way, man. Yes, even though back here self now way. As it is, so our own way forward, we say we get two players we want to talk about. When I just keep on here, they follow us as we want to talk about now. One person don't see vision. He say we go win World Cup. You know how it be now? They say this mouth talk is cheap, mouth can do everything. Everybody art don't dey up now. Our art do banga banga. What did they make art do banga banga? When I go now to the road they go. When I no blink, when I no wink, when I no let una hear shake or listen to another thing. But wetin we wan talk this morning. As I talk na sport and comedy, and I always dey tell una say sport no be do or die. And our own na make una dey enjoy the sport and the beautiful, the sweet, the yummy things wey
yes, no dey totori them.
Totori them. Yes. They say charity begins from inside the backyard. Now I wan talk. E get one player wey I wan talk. If I talk anything wey dey bad, una dey correct me. When this player, when they sign am enter in club, he say I have made the right decision and I have come to prove myself to the world that I'm a good player. Who be this player wey I wan talk? Ahmed Musa. You dey Leicester City, indeed they come meet you. You dey Leicester City, Iheanacho come meet you. Ahmed Musa, what is your case? Opeyemi, give us the case, please.
The matter tire me too unique. As you don't ask me now, who me sef go ask? Behind the camera, where I go ask. I don't know wetin be Ahmed Musa problem. Behind now follow am for Russia reach England. So
tey im name sef no dey name of people dey go.
I say na ball in the peak now for the stadium.
Peak ke. Im name no even dey people wey dey go training. You know say there's difference between when player no make first list, when no make bench. But make player name no go even dey people wey dey go training. Ahmed Musa, what's wrong? Is that have you changed occupation?
No, wetin happen be say you know say the weather wey dey Russia. He don't dey used to am. Now the weather wey dey England never dey used to am. Na wetin happen?
How many seasons?
E matter, e no matter now.
Which weather dey for England wey never dey used to?
You know say Ahmed Musa, that cold go weather. You know they see chance wear socks for hand, cover head.
Okay, cold no dey catch. Cold no dey catch.
So you know they used to, and people wey dey play for here, they know you no understand.
Which you will not understand that when person sign record, break record, you break record, say the most expensive player wey Leicester City go first sign for that amount. And when you come, all of us, I follow people wey start to dey throw hand, dey jump hand, I know how to take dey celebrate you. You can't come finish, and they come from nowhere.
Wait, wetin dey talk sef? Wetin dey talk? They use big money buy am, they use small money buy. Wetin concern you? Na him be the first player wey they go use money buy, wey they no go play. Then na destiny na to come chop money. Some people na to chop money, sit down, dey look, chop money. You know say you no even look am for that Nations Cup. Oh, you don make me dey talk nonsense now. That qualifiers, if they comot belle fresh.
You know say number one, sense no even dey wetin dey talk before, so you go need to talk nonsense. How you go talk say person dey sit down dey chop money? Wetin be primary objective?
No, wait. Wetin you mean now be say I no get sense?
No, I no talk so.
No,
you talk so.
No, wait. Talk and make them hear. Now you ask me question. I dey try give our people say.
Okay. No forget Ahmed Musa case. But Ahmed Musa, general window go soon open. Follow that window come outside.
Na yahoo come do for Leicester City.
Wetin you talk now? How you go say Ahmed Musa dey do?
Na yahoo come sit down chop money. You dey sachet. You know wetin be sachet? Sachet. Na wetin Ahmed Musa dey do.
Now you dey me I no support batting.
No be say I support bat, na wetin dey happen. Me I dey talk truth.
Instead of say I no dey in the mood to speak Hausa this morning, but for speak Hausa for you make you understand wetin I talk. Ahmed Musa, walai telai, January window I go soon open.
Ahmed Musa dey listen. He that hear, have ear, make him hear. See, if na your destiny be that, after all you don play for Russia.
Which
you don play they don know you.
25 years old.
Shut up. You don play they don know you. Nah, if maybe God don talk say na to come sit down chop and make money.
Abeg, I wan carry plane. I wan carry plane comot for Nigeria enter Spain. One player come outside shout. He said, I don't want to be a gunner. Please, I'm sorry, who is looking for you first? Talk.
Wait. The person get gun.
I don't know.
The person wetin be I no
He say I don't want to be a gunner.
they break this me I no understand.
Okay.
Na gun he wan carry abi na.
One player come outside, him name, if he score na like this thing dey do.
Oh, that boy wey be like you know that film wey dey act that Home Alone. Na so him the boy be na.
Oh, na him born am. Oh, na him grow up.
And na him grow up Anthony Griezmann.
Any people wey their name say you no hear the name.
Na Anthony Grease abi na Anthony Oil abi na Epo Pupa abi na groundnut oil abi na chewing-gum oil abi na coconut oil.
Hello boy, no advertise yourself. That man sef no go put him money on top you.
God sef dem wan buy am. Dem dey ready. Those people wey dey be say na Baba Jebu. They no dey ready to spend money. No be say they no get the money o. They say they wan buy am like 100 million now. They get the money. They dey ready to spend. And no be the kind player wey dey buy be that.
Oh boy.
So make him go sit down for one place.
No.
They no dey find am.
No, na big player. Oh boy.
I no talk say no big.
Oh boy. If he
Ghana said they be big.
Make I advise Sam. Oh boy, if say na the club wey you wan dey think say you wan go be that, abeg sheesh that destiny. I no pray that kind prayer for you. Please, you know, upgrade. See.
Wait.
You can come here.
Wait. You see this morning, where I say the hungry wey catch you. You no make you dey talk well. You no dey talk well at all. Wetin you mean? Say make you upgrade. Ghana say there be big club. Wey do big things.
Before
don't do big things. Na Europa dey dey.
They do big things. Na true. Big things.
They make top 4. Big things.
Na big things.
So no talk say.
Na the one wey they do now, wey they do for Europa now. Na big things.
Yeah, they are doing big things.
Na true.
They are making money.
You are talking sense.
They are money making club. They no come to the follow you drag.
One of the big things wey they do. Na be say Rooney. When Rooney start im career, na the man dey there. Rooney don born, don do wedding, don collect go highest goal scorer.
Na you know that one. Na you see. Na wetin dey vex me for people. People like na wey no get money.
Why dey eat me?
Na brain na dey carry history put for head. That one na your own business.
Rooney even use Arsenal.
They are making shut up. They are making money.
Come, are we arguing?
Yes. You don turn am to fight. Yes. We are arguing because wetin dey talk? Dey talk like person wey hunger dey catch since last week. You dey talk person wey don chop. I dey talk like big man. If you dey make money, you be like no carry come. Who he help?
Man forget, okay. But Rooney use Arsenal give testimony say, I started with bad head, grow another bad head, and went back to my bad head and mo forget am.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ló fẹ́ sọ. He wants to talk.
Mo forget am. Hey, as I tell una say story still dey pregenting, mo na no forget. Person say in dream, in be visionaire. Who talk am? Our own NFL president. He said Super Eagles will win the World Cup.
Wait. I should say person say in dream. I think say na Martin Luther King the third.
So now let Martin Luther King the dream.
You know, so now him talk say I have a dream.
But he no still tell us the dream now.
That
you
one
don't see the dream. He just announced
see,
the dream.
Dream na dream. And me.
You never dream about this thing. Say you go enter kitchen.
Wetin me I dream now?
Wait, make I tell you.
Wetin me I dream for this thing now? Say Nigeria, they draw us for Brazil, Germany.
Go for Pete. Go dey dream that kind of dream. No dream that kind of dream. Just say some dream they say if you dream from kitchen, if you enter kitchen, go enter London, or from toilet if you enter Jamaica.
Now you know poor people like you now they dream that kind of dream.
Wait till me now you go look with me.
But anyways, they wait. We feel win the World Cup. Yes.
You are not forbidden.
People wey win am, they no be human being. We are humans.
They are not human beings. They are footballers.
Oh, now you sabi that one. How you pick me? The only thing wey I go do be say pray well. As you dream this dream now, maybe go.
No be only pray well. No dey use prayer dey deceive us. No be pray well. Prepare us well. Give us the money that we want. Give the players their bonuses.
I talk am. Na because you poor. Your own since morning na money, cup, money. We can win the World Cup without money. No be people when person, no be people dey trade go Abuja go. We fit trade go Russia. Instead, you It's not a big deal. Yes.
Abeg, na there I wan end this show today. I no get it down.
You don dey vex.
Na there I wan talk. Na there we wan end this show.
You know say people dey no dey
Hello. Show don end.
Too unique. I don see say if I dey tell you the truth like this, you
go Show don end.
Yes, mo went down.
Show don end.
Mo went down. Mo went na.
Show don end.
I don dey go.
You see, you dey stand or you sit down?
I dey go. Mo went down. I say make we end down.
Come. Na like this go dey follow your husband dey argue for.
Make we end down, abeg.
Me and you. Abeg, show don end.